It's my birthday week. Hey, welcome to the birthday week in my life. I just got my hair did and it looks great. My birthday is Thursday. It's currently Monday. Decided to take y'all along with me. I worked a little bit, got my hair did. I was preparing all last night, so I'll insert that footage right now. Step one of birthday prep. Washed and conditioned my hair. Now I got a deep conditioner mask. Y'all, my hair is growing. I just need a trim slash cut super bad. Like, I can tell how unhealthy my hair is right now, but it's growing, so that's good. Hope y'all enjoy that little snippet. But I got boho knotless box braids. It's my first time getting them. They're so cute. I love them. I got them in like waist length, human hair. The hair been shedding a lot, but it is so cute. And I'm happy. This is what I'm wearing for today. I just wore this gorgeous little fitted dress. I did get a compliment on it when I was at the hair salon. But yes, it's so comfy. After I got my hair done, we did some little shopping with the TJ Maxx and Ross. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. So I got two glasses. These are so cute. Here they are. They are gorgeous. I love getting like different cute glasses, and I want to get like this rose mold that I can put like rose ice cubes in here. And, they're so cute. So these were $5. We was looking for decor at TJ Maxx, couldn't find any, but I got this super cute cropped bomber. This is like a really soft, it's kind of like suede, but I took back the ones I got from H&M in my spring haul, and so I decided to get another. And this is just basic. It's gonna be perfect for the springtime, perfect to throw on. But yeah, so this is what I got. I don't really know what I'm about to do today. I already worked, so I'm just about to have some free time. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. I haven't actually filmed a bunch of content in a while, so I really want to get these ideas out of my head, and I'm really trying to get to 5K on Instagram. I mean, I'm trying to tackle 4K first, but the goal is to get to 5K, and I've been trying to change up my Instagram strategy so I can reach that. So I just have a lot of ideas that I want to share. A lot of things that are just super authentic to me instead of into an algorithm. Let's go ahead and get into this makeup. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, just finished my makeup. Oh, it looks so good on camera. I tried a couple different techniques. Skin looks flawless. And I really moisturized my skin and applied primer and really hydrated my skin. And I feel like it definitely shows in the makeup. I'm finally about to shoot some content. It took me forever, but I didn't have nothing planned, so I had to style a bunch of outfits. I'm gonna show you what outfits I have that I got styled and put together, and I'm about to shoot the content. So here's the looks. I'm just lining them up. This really helps so I can see everything and just easily go to them, and also keep my house clean and organized while I do content. But yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram to see all the content that I create. This is just behind the scenes, so if you want to see the actual content, go to Instagram. But yeah, I was watching this true crime thing. I usually don't like to watch them because like I don't want to bring them demonic spirits into the house. There be signs, and the parents be ignoring the signs, and I was watching like a 12-part TikTok series, and I was like watching it for an hour. Oh, let me show y'all. So I got these little cute little rose molds. Actually, my boyfriend got these. Thank you. They did too. But these are so cute. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday, or also my birthday eve. Today's a busy day, and I'm about to take a few moments just to be grateful. I got my tea right here. It's from Bigelow. I got the lavender chamomile, very relaxing. Okay, yes. Oh, shout out to Bigelow. They sent me, they're one of my favorite tea brands, and I reached out to work with them, and they sent me a bunch of tea. So I'm not sponsored or anything. They just gifted me that stuff. So thank you, Bigelow team. That's like an early birthday gift. I don't think I've done self-care in a while, and I'm a big self-care person. Okay, you see how dry my skin is? I'm about to go in with this micellar water. It's like the OG. That is so freaking refreshing. Like, but then I'm going in with this serum. I love using serums. I usually try the Ordinary, but I saw Good Molecules had one, and I like their products too. So I feel like the products have been working lately too. My skin, I have not been taking the best care of my skin. Like, see, sticky. I'm adding into the cubes. Honestly, I really don't know if this will taste good with champagne, but we're just gonna go with the vibes. Probably gonna be super hard to carry. I didn't think about that. But, that was a mess. I just spilled so much juice. I put way too much, first off. And my dumb self is silicone, so you gotta have like some sort of tray underneath it. It shouldn't be silicone. It should be like a good plastic that holds. The silicone is dumb, but I don't know. But that was very hard, and I spilled so much juice. So I'm gonna clean this up and set up my backdrop and then do my press on nails and then do my makeup. Oh my gosh, there's so much to do. Oh, what it has been a day since the last time I vlogged with you not too long ago. But we finally got my birthday photo shoot set up. Good, I'll go show you. You can see it in the back there. Here is our setup. My boyfriend made this wood arch thing. And it is so cute and so elegant. I've been wanting to get a photo shoot with it. And then I just have this pastel pink backdrop. And then for lighting, I got this softbox light. Yeah, that was a little stressful trying to figure it out because my original idea was to shoot outside. And the weather's been super cold and rainy for the past couple of days. So I had to think of a whole new idea. And I still need to do something to my eyebrows, my nails, and give myself a pedicure of some sort. So I still have a lot to do along with the photo shoot, and it's like 6 o'clock now. So hopefully I can get like a lot of this stuff done within the next hour, but I'll keep you updated. Hey y'all, I did my eyebrows. I also shaved like my chin and my mustache area too. Honestly, I should have did it before and after, but I feel like it looks a little bit sharper. And now I'm about to go and do my makeup. It's about to be a long night, but I think I'm gonna finish it in a bath after doing all this stuff today. So, yes. Okay, y'all, makeup's done. The lighting is terrible, but I wanted something that was super glowy and just ultra feminine, and I love it. I feel so pretty. I have to attach my nails. Let me show you the flowers that my baby got. I told him that we needed some for the shoot, and they're so pretty. I just love flowers. Let me show y'all. Look at these. I just love flowers. I'm so happy I'm a spring baby because I love spring. But, okay, let's put these nails on. Let's do the shoot, and then let's unwind and go to bed. Huh?
I'm trying to wait to make sure it goes in focus. Alright. The what you call this look good. Pretty sorry.
Hi. We did it, Joe. Now it's time to clean up all the mess. I'm excited though. The pictures was bomb. Shout out to my baby. It's like soft. It's so cute. There she is.